Hello friends, I am Vamsi. I hope you all are doing good. Today I am making with dry leaf a peacock like this. Welcome back to Vamsi Bytes. We need one scissor, glue, one paper, dry leaves. Let's start. You can draw peacock, it is very easy. Otherwise, if you're interested, you can take printout of the attachment drawing in the description box. You need to cut. The season autumn calls in Netherlands herfst. It's very simple craft to make it in autumn season. Let's arrange leaves back of the peacock. You need to arrange one by one. The autumn season starts here. It starts in 21 September. It ends in 20 December. I am done. It is the beautiful time of the year. All leaves turn into different colors before they fall. That's why I like to make a beautiful craft with these leaves. I hope you like my beautiful craft. I hope you like my video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Thank you for watching my videos. If you like my videos, please like, share, subscribe to my channel and follow my Instagram page for more updates.